How to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. So maybe you just created a post, but something went wrong and you accidentally deleted it, or it got deleted itself. So I show you how to recover the media and post it back to Instagram. Firstly, let's open up the app and tap profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now click the three lines icon in the top to access settings. With the new update, you gotta click on the account center first. Then scroll down till account settings and choose your information and permissions. Here, we need to select export your information. Now, once it's loading, you will see blue button create export. Just tap on it and choose your Instagram account. Then select export to device. And now we need to make some changes. So in Notify, make sure you can see the right email address. Then go back, tap Format. Make sure here you see HTML, tap Save. Then click on the media quality and set it to higher quality and also save the changes. Now click on the date range, and if you know when this happened, just choose range, or if not, you can select all time. But I'm going to choose last week. Click Save. And the most important thing is to go in Customize Information, tap Clear All, then scroll down and check only the media section. Now also scroll down again and clear everything else. Just like that. Great. Now let's save the changes and tap Start Export. Just wait a few seconds and now it is being prepared for export. So once the information is ready, you will see it in this section and you will see this button download. And also you will be notified via email. You will receive your media and you can immediately download it and then post it back to the Instagram. Usually it takes up to few hours, so just wait a bit. That's it. Subscribe for more useful tips.